friends, it's Mia from Interact. Today, I'm going to be showing you the process of connecting your Interact quiz to Klaviyo. Let's get started. By connecting your Interact quiz to Klaviyo, you can collect emails, phone numbers, and quiz results from your quiz takers to build your contact list. To get started, you are going to log into your Klaviyo account. On your Klaviyo home screen, you are going to scroll to the bottom left-hand corner. There, you will see your Klaviyo account name. Click on your account name. From there, you are going to select Settings. Then scroll down to API keys. Under API keys, scroll down to Private API keys. Your private API key is required for the next steps. We recommend creating a private API key to connect to Interact. To generate a private API key, click Create Private API Key. When creating your private API key, ensure it includes full access permissions for list, profiles, and subscriptions. Now that we have a private API key, it is time to connect our Interact quiz to Klaviyo. Select the quiz you would like to connect. Hit Edit. From here, we are going to turn on lead generation. We must first set up our opt-in form. Under opt-in form, select your contact fields. Choose what information you would like to collect from your quiz takers. I'm going to select email address and phone number for my contact fields. On the updated Klaviyo integration, on your opt-in form, your phone number field now has a country code dropdown. Once you have successfully set up your opt-in form, it is time to hit Save and Continue. Now it is time to connect to Klaviyo. Select Klaviyo on your connected integration. This pop-up window will appear. Here is where you are going to paste your Klaviyo API key. Then hit Connect. You have now successfully connected to Klaviyo. Please hit Save and Continue. In the following steps, you have a chance to map a set of Klaviyo actions to individual Interact triggers. A trigger can be, for example, when a quiz taker receives a specific quiz result or answers a specific quiz question. To open the selection of Klaviyo actions to select, click on the Add Action button. Here is the Klaviyo action for the quiz result Romance Enthusiast. In the slide-out menu, you will see a list of available actions to run in Klaviyo. To create a list in Klaviyo, you are going to go to Lists and Segments. Create New. Create List. Here you will give your list a name. I'm going to name my list the same name as my quiz result. The name of my list now is the same name as one of my quiz results. Hit Create List. When creating your list, go to Settings. Under Settings, hit Consent. Under the opt-in process, you can see it is automatically set to double opt-in. This requires new subscribers to confirm their subscription before being added to the list. You have the option to change this to a single opt-in. This immediately subscribes people to the list without a confirmation. You can choose either a double opt-in or a single opt-in. I'm going to choose a single opt-in. Hit Save. You are required to add to the contact list. Your quiz taker's contact information will be added to this specific contact list. I'm going to select the contact list that has the same title as this quiz result, Romance Enthusiast. Click on the contact list. For the quiz result trigger, connect different results to different contact lists. We find this to be very beneficial to send quiz takers an automatic email that correlates to the result they received on their quiz. After completing the required step of adding to a contact list, you then have the option to update a custom field. To update the custom field, you can type a Klaviyo custom field name in the input box to update the custom field for new contacts with a specific value. The value will auto-populate with the trigger name, but you can customize this with any value you want. For example, for a quiz result trigger, you could type in custom field quiz result title in the input box and populate the field with the quiz result title for your quiz. Hit Save to save this Klaviyo action for this result. You are going to repeat this process for each of your quiz results. Once you have successfully added an action for each quiz result, you've added to a contact list and you've updated a custom field, now you can hit Save and Continue. You then have the option to add a trigger for specific quiz answers. This is not required. Hit Save and Continue to continue on. By default, existing Klaviyo profiles will have their contact information updated. Keep the box checked to update existing Klaviyo profiles with the opt-in form values. Hit Save and Continue. Here you will find an overview of the way your opt-in form fields are connected to Klaviyo's custom fields. Default fields cannot be changed. Here you can see my default fields of email and phone number. After completing mapping your form fields, hit Save and Continue. Now that we have connected to Klaviyo, it is time to test the integration. Hit Test Integration. Here you can see how you can change your country code. You can see all the countries listed in the country code dropdown. After submitting my phone number, I'm going to select Send Test Lead to my list. Success! Lead has been successfully added to your list. After successfully testing your integration, you are going to hit Publish. Publish changes. I have now successfully connected to Klaviyo. On Klaviyo, go to List and Segments. This is the quiz result I received. I see my email here. Click on the profile email. Here is how the profile will appear on Klaviyo. When you scroll down, you will see the custom properties. Here it shows the source is Interact Quiz, and it also shows that the quiz result title is Romance Enthusiast. Go ahead, try for yourself. Go to tryinteract.com to make a quiz with AI. You will have a quiz within minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you in our next video.